Got a PDF that's too big to email or share? You don't need a third-party tool, and you don't need to sacrifice quality to shrink it. Open your file in Nitro, click the File menu, and select Optimize PDF. You'll see a few preset options. In this example, let's select Reduced Size and click Show Details. Under Page Content, enable Resample Images and choose for screen reading. This is what makes the biggest difference for image-heavy documents. Nitro reduces the image resolution just enough to cut the file size, without any visible change to the content. Under Document Content, you can also remove embedded thumbnail images, hidden data that inflates the file without adding anything useful. Options like Remove Bookmarks, File Attachments, and Name Destinations are also available if your document doesn't need them. Hit Optimize. Nitro processes the file and saves a compressed version. No quality loss you'd notice, just a much smaller file. The difference speaks for itself. Same document, a fraction of the size, ready to email, upload, or share without hitting any limits. Start optimizing your PDF files today. Download your free 14-day trial at gonitro.com.